All right, guys, so the Supra is here. Our boy Scruffy's pulled up. Peep the stang. Peep the stang. It's looking nice and clean. Can't say the same for the Supra. Hey, sir, where's your state inspection sticker, sir?
I bought it like this, man. What are you talking about?
All right, so what are we doing today, Scruffy?
We're getting E85, bro.
Let's fucking
E85.
go. Guys, announcement. Scruffy has defeated a Lambo.
What's it called? Not what the Lambo was. Not a Mercy.
It's a Diablo. It was a date. No, but
No. It was a 2010. Not a Mercy log. What's the?
A few moments later.
Whatever. Lambo V10.
yo, we beat a Lambo. We beat a Lambo. Because if you guys really think about it, I beat Scruffy. I'm gonna just put that out there. I beat Scruffy in that thing. And if he beat a Lambo, that means I beat a Lambo.
2 races. 1 dig. I lost a dig.
I'd lose a dig to him too. So we don't beat Lambos from digs and Mustangs, but we do beat them in rolls. So, bro, why would you buy a Lambo, bro?
That's one.
All right, so we're driving now. Where are we going?
76.
We're going to a 76. So, you know, getting the cheap gas because this man can't afford normal gas.
It's like the...
Man, that turbo sounds so good. I swear, guys, his speakers are playing fake engine noises, though.
I got it.
That's why you have to have like a conservative verbal tune for yourself, so you like can enjoy it longer, you know? Because if your car's always pop, 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 I feel like you're gonna get bored eventually. Unless you're artistic, then that's okay. You know, we're here to help. Alright guys, so we're almost at the gas station now. We're about a minute out, and this is about to be crazy. Scruffy's car is going to be pushing 650 to the wheels, so we're about to get there, and he's pushing like 700 something to the crank, over 700. Here's the 76. This was one of the closest E85 engines. One of the closest E85 gas stations that we could find. By we could find, this is the first one we found.
Wait.
You got to go to a yellow one. Dude, this is diesel. You gotta go to a yellow pump.
Maybe I want diesel. Okay, we're literally at
$5? $5 for E85? Bro, you're about to get 2 miles per gallon. Yo, this is crazy. Oh man, I'm hyped to see what his car can do, man. What? Did he go on the wrong side? Dude, this guy's a fucking moron, bro. Yo, he's a fucking moron. Oh my god. Alright, let's hear it, bro. Woo!
We just hit 50. Nothing.
Dude, it didn't feel like we were going 50 yet, bro.
We didn't go because we didn't go. It was slipping.
Oh my god, that shit's aggressive, bro.
I didn't even full throttle. That was like a quarter.
Yeah, oh, cop. Literally just at the front of the roundabout. Guys, one thing the Mustang has on the Supra, like that is an indefinite, like, yo, we have this, interior room, man. I don't even have places to put my arms, man. I'm just sitting in here like this, bro. This shit's made for a fucking toddler.
Like me. It's a target audience. I'm kind of scared that there might be cops. Do we run?
I mean, shit, I'm down up until the point you get caught. Then I'm fucking squealing for some McDonald's. Oh my god, that shit pulls, bro. Oh, you're getting gap. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. shit, bro.
Get out.
I'm not getting out, bro. What the fuck the dog doing? What the fuck?
Thank you. I know.
No, that's crazy. Yeah, you can't let them see the error codes.
No.
You want we can get some shopping carts from Walmart that I can race you in those.
Why not just go in your car?
What's the point? It's boring. I need something slower. Beat you to have fun with you. No fun cars pulling up. Sorry, bro.
That's
Oh!
yo.
JDM Brothers, bro. See the shit. God damn, bro!
I wasn't full throttle. I was getting pulled back to my seat too far.
Jordan, you trying to race Scruffy?
No,
Why not?
Let's see.
because I'm not gonna win.
He's
That's
not
a
on.
fact.
He's not an E85 right now, bro.
What do you mean? It's literally on your story of him filling into E85.
No, no, diesel. It's diesel, bro.
Right.
Oh my god!
It's never done that before.
Yo, if you're in Washington, you got a big boy car. Hit me up, bro. Take me for a ride.
Are you cheating?
We're about to race, bro. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! The motherfucker got AirPods in the car, bro.
Who?
The fucking dude that you just passed. Motherfucker got AirPods in the car, bro.
Maybe his stereo's not working, bro.
All right, guys. Final thoughts of your car knee.
I'm gonna kill this car.
Yes, man. I'm still gapping. Dude, this car is breathing, bro.
It's not too hot. I think I'll drive nicely home.
I think you should open your coolant and make sure it's all good. I'm trying to fist bump you with the camera, bro.
Oh,
He's giving y'all a fist bump too.
if you choose Mustang over Supra, you're actually weird.
I mean, if you just want to, win races and go fast, like, choose a Mustang. The more affordable too.
Mustang.
If you want to save economy, buy this glorified Prius. Put my drink down. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and catch you on the next one. Thank you to Scruffy for showing me his car. That was insane. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Toodles. Bye.